Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you how to make boneless tandoori chicken bites in the air fryer. These make for a really delicious treat that you can either pair with something like a green chutney dip or use it to make tandoori chicken tacos, quesadillas or even tandoori chicken pizza. So let's get started. Here I have 2 pounds of boneless chicken. I prefer using chicken thighs instead of chicken breasts as they stay more tender and juicier, but you can use chicken breasts if that's what you prefer. And as you see, I have cut them into bite-sized pieces. You can size them based on your preferences. For me, if I'm going to serve them as is or with a dip or something, then I prefer bigger bite-sized pieces and smaller pieces if I'm going to use them as filling for tacos or something like that. Go with whatever you prefer. Then for making the tandoori masala marinade, in a bowl, take a 1/4 cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, half a tablespoon of tandoori masala powder, then half a tablespoon each of garam masala and coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi and half a teaspoon each of cumin powder and chaat masala powder, 1.5 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, a teaspoon of salt or to taste, about 3/4 tablespoon of corn flour, half a tablespoon of lemon juice and 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Mix everything together to get a smooth and thick paste-like marinade. Then apply this marinade to the chicken, ensuring to coat all the pieces well. And as you saw, I used more spice powders than just tandoori masala powder to make this marinade because this blend of spices is what I found to work really well together in case you're using all store-bought masalas like I'm doing in this case. I'm still working on a recipe for homemade tandoori masala powder that I like enough to use just that along with say yogurt, salt and oil. I'll share it when it's ready, but until then this blend of store-bought masalas works really well. Then let the chicken marinate for at least 2 to 4 hours in the fridge. Overnight marination is always better. Now preheat the air fryer. And then grease the base. And now place all the boneless chicken pieces in the air fryer basket, laying it all flat and not stacking on top of each other. Of course, I'm being extra neat and careful for this video, but usually I just dump it in and separate it with a fork to ensure it's all laying flat on the base. Then air fry them at 400° Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Ensuring to flip them once at about the halfway mark. The air frying time might vary a bit depending on your air fryer and the size of the pieces. Also, if you're using chicken breasts, then they will definitely cook faster. So check on them at the 10-minute mark, and even for chicken thighs, start checking on them once at the 12-minute mark. And that's it. Boneless tandoori chicken bites are ready to serve. Pair it with a dip of your choice or use it to make tandoori chicken tacos, quesadillas or as a topping for pizzas and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!